Guys, check that out. That's how a rudder has been made. Like, they put like a lot of extra sides on it, so it's extra strong. It's of inox, it's like solid RPS. So look at this place. They can weld anything, and they just welded this rudder. Look at that, 2 times 3mm steel. That's not gonna go anywhere anymore. Awesome. Look at that, guys. My short mommy. I am short, but mommy's shorter. Having a nice walk over the beach. Check that out. Sun is shining. This is the winter in Gandia. Mom, how do you like it here?
Ja, ik blijf hier.
Mom's staying. Gonna go sailing tomorrow?
Ja.
If she's annoying, we're gonna drop her in the ocean.
Oh, ja.
Cool off a little bit.
Ja, op jou.
Later, guys. Having a wine with mom. Cheers. We have a little leak in the rudder, but hey, it's only more weight, so I don't really care. But look at that, looking awesome. Everybody say hi! Yeah, we got no wind, so we're on the motor. We have Captain Danny, there we go. Keeping course, we're off to the harbor. So, son, that's my brother. He wants to live with the whole family on the boat, so they're coming with me to the Canary Islands. In 2020. Okay, we're back at the harbor because there's no wind, and yeah, we got a fishing rod out, and there might be a little fish on it. We just heard something, but yeah, let's check it out. Oh, what does it do? Maybe yes, maybe not. Kiekeboe! 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 Theo Andries! Oh, wat leuk! Oh! Theo Andries? Parami? On my way to shoot a Christmas video for the Gandia Harbor. It's gonna be awesome. Got all the gear, the drones, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the results in a bit. Okay, just got the genua off. It's pretty big, and yeah, unfortunately it's completely ripped. Check that out. That's a shame. The rope just totally got ripped out all the way from the bottom. Yeah. No good. That sucks. Hopefully they can repair it. That's the only disadvantage. A bigger boat means bigger material. And look at the size of this sail. Incredible. I don't need to go to the gym anymore. This is pretty heavy. Like a 40 square feet of sail, or 40 square meters. There's like 120 square feet. Oh. Look. Oh. 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 Yep, so fixing some walls. Nope. That's the wall that needs to be fixed, so chuck it on and it's gonna look good. Of course, boat work never stops. Just had some shortcuts, at least lights didn't go off. So yeah, I opened up the cabin and look what I found. It's a whole bunch of wires, and these wires here were just touching each other. So yeah, it was giving me a connection all the time. So yeah, the lights wouldn't go off. So let's rearrange it, put some better connections on it, and yeah, that should be done as well. But hey, let's rewire this. How cool is this? My brother came over with his wife because they want to taste the wasabi gin with tonic. So we're gonna have a nice gin tonic. It's a very special taste. It's a little bit different, but if you have one, it's excellent. So yeah, let's see if they like it. Ooh, the real cocktail shaker, Mr. Big II. Okay.
How to win a pool game.
How to win a pool game. Our little movie star. Let's see how he likes.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay guys, be honest. Let's see. If you don't like it, you have to tell me as well.
Proost.
Cheers. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask you, try it. Oh, she does like it. Yeah, okay. How is it?
It's going well with sushi, I'm guessing.
Yeah, well. Okay, I'm gonna have one too. See you later, guys. I'm gonna enjoy the company. Okay, now we're playing a game of pool with my brother that still thinks he can beat me, but he's 3 balls behind. Let's see what he can do. Come on, show it. Show it to the people.
4 balls.
4 balls. Not a chance. Not gonna happen, guys. Not gonna happen. Okay, lucky shot.
Oh, no.
Lucky shot. That's one. That's one. He can't win from the big brother. He cannot win from Big Brother. Check that out. 1, 2, 3. There we go again.
No.
Lucky shot number 2. Okay. This is gonna be an easy one. This is gonna be an easy one. I'm still 1 ball.
Hey.
Trash. Okay. There we go. But will he make blue number 4? Oh, it's gonna be red. It's gonna be red. Let's see what he's gonna do. Let's see.
What?
Oh, nice one. And then the blue one. Let's see what he will do.
Look at that.
We're having a great day. We had to walk over the beach. And now I'm kicking his ass. No. This can't be happening, guys. He's putting. I've got 1 red ball left. He's got. Hey, where's it gonna go? Sam, where is it gonna go?
It's obvious. It's gonna go over.
Okay. I got 1 red ball.
Laat je man even zien.
Yeah. Okay, make it. If he doesn't make it, I will finish it and win the game. There we go. Oh! Yeah, man! 3 o'clock at night, you do not want to be 30, 40 knots today on the weather forecast. It's